Can rolling tobacco be less harmful to my health than manufactured cigarettes?
Hello, and welcome to today's topic. We are diving into the realm of smoking, specifically the comparison between rolling tobacco and manufactured cigarettes. Is rolling tobacco less harmful to your health? Let's find out.
What is rolling tobacco?
Rolling tobacco, also known as hand-rolled or loose tobacco, is the tobacco product that smokers use to make cigarettes themselves. These types of cigarettes have become popular due to their perceived naturalness and cost-effectiveness.
Are there differences in composition?
Manufactured cigarettes and rolling tobacco might seem quite similar, as they both contain the main ingredient, tobacco. However, the major difference lies in the additional chemicals. Manufactured cigarettes are often processed and include additives, some of which aid in nicotine delivery, control rate of burn, and add flavor. Conversely, rolling tobacco is often perceived as more natural, because it may contain fewer of these additional chemicals. But keep in mind that all forms of tobacco produce harmful substances when burned.
Which is more harmful, rolling tobacco or manufactured cigarettes?
There's a common belief that smoking roll-ups is less harmful to health compared to manufactured cigarettes. The truth is, both rolling tobacco and manufactured cigarettes are harmful to your health. They both contain the addictive substance nicotine and produce a number of carcinogens when burned. Rolling tobacco might contain fewer additives, but that does not make it safe. Some studies suggest that smokers of roll-ups, because they are usually less filtered, actually inhale more tar and nicotine per cigarette, leading to a higher risk of lung cancer and other diseases.
So, can rolling tobacco be less harmful?
In a nutshell, no. Regardless of the differences in composition, both types of cigarettes pose significant health risks. No form of tobacco smoking is safe. The best action for the sake of your health is to quit smoking altogether. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video shed some light on the misconceptions around rolling tobacco. Remember, while it may seem less processed, rolling tobacco is not a safer alternative to manufactured cigarettes. If you're concerned about the health risks associated with smoking, the best option is to seek help and resources to quit. Stay healthy and informed, everyone.